You know, I don't want to get my ears checked.
They just check your hearing. You put your headphones on, and they have different volumes, and you probably tap something when you can hear it. When you don't do anything.
Well, I don't want my earring to be checked
Okay.
or hearing or something.
Okay.
I can hear just fine.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Excuse me, Matt, please. It's hurting my ears.
I know.
Can we turn it down a little bit?
Wait till this is finished.
I'll have to leave the room.
There. Can we put this on YouTube?
You can if you want if you know how to do it. Remember, I can't download it until I go home because your Wi-Fi is too slow. Okay.